Welcome back children in English grammar lesson number 6 video part 2, and in this video children you will see the book and copywork of this lesson, and I hope after watching this video you will complete your book and copywork neatly. So let's start. First I am going to proceed with the book work. In page number 28, and here you see the title is given describing word. So describing word in another way you say it is an adjective. Downside you see 3 picture I have given there. First picture, my mother gave me a red scarf. What is the color of scarf? It is red. Second picture you see the garden had a beautiful flower. What type of flower garden had? It had a beautiful flower. So beautiful also an adjective. Third picture you see there's what type of balloon. I bought some colorful balloons. So colorful also an adjective. So the word red, beautiful and colorful describe the naming words that comes after. Words that describe the quality of a naming word are called describing words. Now see children downside. Few sentences have written. The king had a huge palace. So what size of the palace? It is a huge palace. Second you see the little girl is playing with a hula hoop. You see this girl, she is playing with the hula hoop. Hula hoop is kind of a object which used for playing. Okay, so what type of girl? It is showing the size is a little girl. Now Meera is a good swimmer. What type of swimmer Meera is? She is a good swimmer. Fourth sentence you see empty vessels make more noise. So what type of vessel? It is empty vessel. So children, this way I think you have understood page number 28 whatever I have explained you. Go to the next page. See first question of this page. Circle the describing word given sentences. There are 5 sentences. Nikhil has a cute puppy. What type of puppy he has? He has a cute puppy. She had a red apple in her bag. What color of apple she had? She had a red color apple. The tiny chick walked around the farm. So what is the size of the chick? It is tiny. Mother got me a bunch of green grapes. What is the color of grapes? Green. Sulekha Gardens has beautiful flowers. So what type of flower Sulekha Garden has? Beautiful. So all these underlined words, circle words are adjective here. Now come to the next question. Fill in the blanks with more suitable describing words given in bracket. First, the students are dash or noisy or pink. So which is correct? Noisy. So you write here noisy. Second, my father bought a dash car. What type of car his father bought? New car. So write here new. Then C sentence, this is a dash idea. What type of idea? It is a good idea. She is eating a chocolate cake. What type of cake she is eating? She is eating chocolate cake. Ravi went to school by a dash color bus. Which color? Yellow color. So this way you will complete this part also. Come to the downside third question. Look at the given sentences. Find out incorrect describing word in each sentence. Rewrite the sentence with the correct describing word. One is done for you. Ananya lives in a long house. Long is not a suitable word for house. It should be big or small. So Ananya lives in a big house. See, correction is there. B. Meena has a big hair. What type of hair Meena has? No, big is not a size. Its size will be long or short. Sonal is a long girl. So you can say tall or short. So here it is telling long. In the place it should be tall. So this way children you see this work is also, book work is also, you will complete on this chapter. Now come to the next page. Page number 30 and same. Can you pass me the funny bottle? So see, funny bottle is not. Can you pass me the blue bottle? So here it describing the color blue. E number, an ant is a big insect. No, an ant is a tiny insect. Ant is not a big insect. So children, this way you can complete the lesson number 6 book work. So children, take out your English grammar copy and start writing describing words in copy. So before starting the copy work, few instruction I want to give you. Instruction number 1, you write neatly. Second, your formation of letter is as it is given in the copy. So let's start. Before starting, children, I know that you know very well about how to make headline. First you draw 2-line headline, and then right side on the top corner you will write CW, and the left corner you will write that day, the date when you will do the class 1. Okay children, then you see downside you have to write the definition, lesson number 6 in mid. Then second line you will write describing words. Describing words, again I am telling you, it is an adjective in another word. So definition of adjective: an adjective is a word which qualifies noun or pronoun. Again I repeat the definition: an adjective is a word which qualifies noun or pronoun. Example, you can see there are two examples. First is Ram is a good boy. So what type of boy Ram is? Yes, it is good. So good is here describing word. Second sentence you see, it is a big table. So what is the shape of a table? It is a big table. So here you see the big is also a describing word. So here both the sentence good and big are describing words. Let's start the exercise number 1. Children, in this part you will see 5 sentences I have mentioned in the copy, and in each sentence you will see some adjective words I have mentioned. So you have to find out the adjective verb and you will underline it. So let's go to the next page. See this page. First sentence, she has a pretty doll. What doll? What type of doll she has? She has a pretty. So pretty is here an adjective. Second, I like to drink cold drink. So what is the taste of cold drink? Cold. Third, Shyam has a red car. What color of the car Ram has? He has a red car. So red is here an adjective. Fourth sentence, it is a tiny plant. So what type of plant it is? It is a tiny. Tiny means very small. It is telling the shape. So tiny is also an adjective. Fifth sentence, he is a brave boy. So what quality of a boy? He is a brave. So brave is here also a describing word. You can say an adjective. So this page children you will complete your classwork. Let's start or proceed with the homework. Children, in the homework I have given you 4 sentences, and here you have to fill the suitable adjectives, because in each sentence there are 2 options I have given, and you have to find out which is the suitable option. You have to fill in the blank part. Okay, so see the first, Ravi is a, see the first example, Ravi is a dash boy. Okay, so what type of Ravi? He is a fat boy. Okay, so you write here fat. Second, Suman has a long hair. See, long. Then third, it is a dash knife. What type of knife it is? It is a, you will see the next page option has given. So see, am or sharp. So correct answer is am. Okay, sharp. So you write here it is a sharp knife. Now fourth sentence, I have a dash pen. So options are red or it. So which color of the pen he has? He has a red. So red pen is, red is here color and indicates to the describing word. So children, I hope after watching this copy work of lesson 6 of English grammar, you will understand that how to write the copy work of adjective in copy, and what is an adjective through copy work also. And my humble request children, while you write in the copy, you must speak the word also, because this way children you will enhance your speaking skill. At last children, thanks for watching lesson 6 book and copy work of English grammar video part 2, and I hope children after watching both the work, copy work and book work of lesson 6, you will complete your work on time. Stay home, stay safe, bye bye.